I'm Robin Higgins, and this is How Do You Know If a Reaction Will Occur in Chemistry? All right, this is a really complicated question, actually, and there's really no straightforward answer. Usually in beginning chemistry, general chemistry, they'll just tell you. They'll say it makes something or it doesn't, and you can kind of figure it out. There's really only a couple of things you can look for otherwise to see if it will make a reaction, and they're not hard and fast. So one thing is comparing valence electrons. If you have something between, let's say, sodium and fluorine, and you're trying to determine if it has a reaction that happens, you can look at the valence electrons. So you can say, well, sodium has 1 and fluorine has 7. And if we're following the octet rule, this means that sodium can just donate this 1 over here, and you can get this. So if valence electrons match up to give your elements a complete octet, then that's a pretty good indication that a reaction will happen. Another one you can look for is anything extremely reactive. So if you have lone pairs and a charge, so for instance, if you have this oxygen over here by itself and has a negative charge on it, that negative charge is going to want to react. So if you have, just say like a carbonyl, this reaction is going to want to happen. And something else very radical, or very reactive is radicals. So if you just have a lone electron or a radical, these are extremely reactive, and so they're definitely going to combine with something. To form some type of product. So besides this, I'd really just pay attention to the problem, see if you've seen those two things react before, or if someone is telling you they, produce heat, that means a reaction's happening, or something else like that. There's no really one or few rules that overall decide if something's going to react or not. I'm Robin Higgins, and this is How Do You Tell If a Reaction Happens in Chemistry?